Do you want to see something fucking cool? I don't know. I made this a few years ago. I forgot all about this. It's been covered with shite. Now I'm packing up to vacate my beloved and if not ancestral home, and I remembered that it does this. And when I say it does this, I don't mean that just by chance it does this. I mean, I made it do this. You know, in case you need to, shit, I don't know what, but there she is. It comes up about a foot. Let me see here. I need a better shot. Rubbers. I mean, obviously, you got your, yeah, you get the idea. Welcome to the jungle. Oh, don't fall down. I mean, do you feel me knocking? Well, then let me in. That's all I got to say about that.